Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Bluetooth FM transmitter for cars that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Lensent FM transmitter, a reliable and affordable option that boasts impressive versatility. One of its standout features is crystal clear music streaming supported by anti-static design and CVC noise suppression technology. Whether you're streaming via Bluetooth, USB flash drive, or microSD card, the Lensent delivers high-quality sound without distortion. Its 2 USB ports ensure safe and efficient charging for 2 devices simultaneously, while built-in protections like overcurrent and overvoltage safeguards make it a dependable option for long drives. The design is compact and lightweight with a sleek blue ambient light that enhances visibility and adds a stylish touch to your car's interior. It also includes a car battery voltage detection feature, making it a practical choice for those who like to keep tabs on their vehicle's health. Pairing is seamless, with wide compatibility across Bluetooth-enabled devices and automatic reconnection to previously paired devices. The Lensent's wider FM range ensures minimal interference for uninterrupted audio playback. However, while it excels in functionality, its charging speeds could be faster compared to higher-ranked models. The storage support for USB and microSD cards is capped at 32 GB, which might limit options for users with larger music libraries. Overall, the Lensent FM transmitter is ideal for drivers seeking an affordable and feature-rich transmitter that covers the basics effectively, but it lacks the premium performance seen in higher-ranked models. At number 4, we have the Lyhan USB-C Bluetooth adapter for car, a transmitter that emphasizes aesthetics and functionality. The 7-color LED backlit mode is a visual treat, perfect for night driving, while its hands-free calling capabilities are enhanced by noise suppression technology for clear communication. The inclusion of both a USB-C PD 3.0 port and QC 3.0 USB port ensures fast charging for 2 devices simultaneously, making it a great companion for tech-savvy users who rely on multiple devices during travel. The design is ergonomic, featuring intuitive controls and a compact build that fits snugly into most cigarette lighter sockets. Music playback options are diverse, supporting Bluetooth streaming, USB flash drives, and TF cards with storage capacities up to 64 GB. This transmitter is all about convenience, offering one-touch call management and seamless FM connection setup for an effortless user experience. Safety features like overcurrent and short-circuit protection further enhance its appeal, ensuring peace of mind during use. However, while the Lyhan excels in aesthetics and charging speed, its sound quality is slightly less refined compared to higher-ranked models. Additionally, the fit in larger cigarette lighter sockets may require careful compatibility checks. This transmitter is perfect for drivers who value style, fast charging, and straightforward functionality, but audiophiles may prefer other options for richer sound quality. Our number 3 pick is the Imden Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter, a well-rounded option that combines affordability with excellent performance. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it delivers a stable connection and impressive sound quality for both music playback and hands-free calling. The dual USB ports include a Quick Charge 3.0 port for fast charging, compatible with various devices like Samsung and Huawei, making it a great choice for those needing efficient power management on the go. The Imden's design is simple yet functional, with easy-to-use buttons and a compact form factor that doesn't clutter your dashboard. The built-in microphone utilizes CVC noise suppression technology, ensuring crystal-clear call quality, even in noisy environments. It supports USB flash drives for music playback, providing flexibility for users who prefer offline playlists. Safety features like overcurrent protection and intelligent temperature control make it a reliable choice for daily use. While the Imden boasts solid performance, it lacks some advanced features like colorful LED lighting or bass boost options seen in higher-ranked models. Additionally, its storage support for USB drives is limited to smaller capacities, which might not suit users with extensive music collections. Overall, the IMDN transmitter is a fantastic mid-range option that balances performance, affordability, and usability, making it a great choice for everyday drivers. Securing the number 2 spot is the Nulaxi 54-watt Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter, a powerhouse transmitter that excels in fast charging and sound performance. With a total of 4 charging ports, including PD 36-watt and QC 18-watt, this adapter is designed for users who need to charge multiple devices simultaneously without compromising on speed. The integration of Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures a rapid and stable connection, providing high-quality audio for music and calls alike. The Nulaxi's design is modern and functional, featuring 5-color LED backlighting for nighttime visibility and a raised button design for precise, tactile controls. Its deep bass player delivers enhanced audio quality, making it a favorite for music enthusiasts who want to experience rich and dynamic sound. The transmitter also supports hands-free calling and voice navigation, offering added convenience for drivers focused on the road. Safety features like overcurrent and overheating protection further enhance its reliability. While the Nulaxi excels in charging speed and audio quality, its larger form factor might be a drawback for users with limited dashboard space. Additionally, the FM setup process is slightly more complex compared to other models. This transmitter is ideal for tech-savvy users who prioritize fast charging and premium sound quality, but casual users might find its advanced features overwhelming. Taking the top spot is the Synkwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter, a feature-packed and performance-driven device that sets the gold standard for car adapters. The upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 technology ensures lightning-fast pairing and a stable connection, while the hi-fi bass sound delivers immersive audio that will make your favorite tunes come alive. The intelligent dual USB ports, including PD36W and USB-A 12W, provide efficient charging for 2 devices simultaneously, making it an ideal choice for long road trips. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a rainbow ambient light switch that adds a touch of flair to your driving experience. The intuitive controls allow for effortless operation, even while driving, and the seamless auto connection feature ensures you never waste time repairing your device. Noise suppression and echo cancellation technologies make hands-free calling crystal clear, while the USB stick compatibility adds to its versatility. The Synkwire excels in every category, but its slightly higher price point might be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Nonetheless, the combination of cutting-edge technology, premium sound quality, and user-friendly design make it the ultimate choice for drivers who want the best in performance and reliability. If you're looking for a transmitter that checks all the boxes, the Synkwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.